All right, Eric from creditwit.com, powered by Better Qualified. And today's question is about how long things take to fall off a credit report. Standard answer here is 7 years, right? That's what they tell you. 7 years, 7 years, 7 years. Well, there's one item that will fall off in 10, and that's Chapter 7. Chapter 13, just like all the other items, late payments, any kind of derogatory collections, charge-offs, all that stuff, is 7 years, okay? Here's where things get a little tricky, or actually in our favor, in your favor. The key word here is may, and what the law says may take 7 years to fall off is an open-ended kind of thing for us to say, they better have dotted their I's and crossed their T's, because that's where our service, or some of the services of credit repair that are out there, come into play. So the opportunity of may is huge. Statute of limitations is another big part of this, and some people confuse it with it's just if I can't get sued, we can't go back on the credit report. Statute of limitations on debt, depending on the state, is varied from about 3 to maybe 6. Some states are 10 years, but state Jersey, where we reside, is 6 years. That means someone cannot sue you after 6 years of having the debt. Statute of limitations. Anyway, that's your quick answer today. 7 years. 10 years on one item. So if you have any other questions, follow up with us. Talk to you.